As Mike from Custom Cruisers, you are very easy way of doing your tank. Okay, what we're going to do is get a standard pair of rubber gloves. You see this is a little finger off a rubber glove. You're then basically just going to cut off on the fingers like this. As you can see, the tape holds it in the threads. Works perfectly. Costs you next to nothing, means you don't wreck your fuel tank. Okay, very, very simple way of doing it. Works fine. Right, we're just draining off all this horrible fluid. This acidy stuff. Okay, take the tank out. Now, you can see in there is no rust at all. Absolutely stunning stuff. This is proper gear. It's not cheap, but it's proper stuff. To get your tank like that, normally you'd have to sandblast it, and then of course all the sand would go in your carb, screw everything up as well. Okay, as you can see here, here's all the old fluid. Some of the rust is pulled out, but the main thing is it's converted the rust into something that the fuel tank sealer will stick to. So basically that is mixing this stuff with water, 10:1 for super duper strength, which is what I've used actually in that. As you can see, it is absolutely no rust at all. Incredible. 20:1 is not so bad, but I thought, well, for 15-20 quid a thing, you'd be crazy not to do it properly. Okay, but as you can see, we're now going to do this tank. So this particular fuel tank, Harley Davidson one, I'm going to fit on my Glide. Quite a bit of rust in there, as you can see, but basically by using this finger on the old glove, as you can see, it works perfectly. Very simple, very cheap, and it actually works. So if you want to know a way of sealing your tank just to do work on it, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.